gusto kong makita sa kanila. So, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy. And once nakita ko sa kanila ganitong galaw, hanapin ko sa kanila lagi yung effect.
Angel, 10 points pero maraming nag-step up na yan. So tingin mo ba ito ba yung gusto mong makita na hindi lang puro Angel kanina?
Yung nasa naman, hindi naman puro Angel na talaga yung business. Yung wala. And I'm very happy na namin nag-step up. And sobrang happy ako kasi syempre, nalalabas din nila yung gano'n nila. Bawat isa sa akin. So, meaning, nag-teamwork kami and maganda yung pinalabas sa akin.
Coach, siguro basing na lang on eye test, parang this is one of the better wins of LaSalle this season. What do you think was the difference between kung ano yung ginawa ng players mo ngayon and before na kapag iba yung dating ng panalo natin?
So nakita ko ngayon, well focus sila. And then yung hanggang sa tapos yung sa third set, yung focus. Sometimes may mga players talaga na hindi may iwasan na mag-panic eh. May mga times na mag-panic. So yun lang, yung kailangan talaga magdalik. So ito yung gusto ko sa makita sa kanila. Mag-mature ka.
It's one of my responsibilities in a role as a player in this team because at the end of the day, this is a team sport and we're all there supporting one another. It just so happens right now it's me, but you never know in the future. Like Castillo, Apelia, Malua. So, yeah, so right now, yes, it's me, but of course, I know everyone's going to step up, everyone's going to become consistent, and we are on that path of becoming consistent.
Mas focus yung team din, mas eager yung team din. And eventually, nakikita na mas gutom kami na ngayon. Kahit shaky yung start na